Hello everyone, welcome to Vegan's Kitchen. I'm making potato salad. Wash the potato salad, boiled. Cook 6 eggs. I have half cup of pickle, half cup of onions, half cup of celery, diced boiled eggs, half cup red onions, there you go, red onions, celery, one cup of mayonnaise. Next, 2 tablespoons mustard, yellow mustard, eggs, vinegar, one teaspoon pepper, 1.5 salt, 1.5 tablespoon salt, and there you have it.